Hello guys. Hallo Leute. Hello guys. There's a woman here in Hamburg. Her name is Olivia Jones. And I say I'm in silence. I make nothing. I say 40 times. They irritate you with enchantings. I am in silence. It's not my movings, not my feelings, not my thinkings. This is not for me all. I'm in silence. Will hear music and they interrupt me. And because you make fake records, I can't hear music. Because they make fake records. And I make a video before about Queens. I don't hate Queens. I don't hate Queens. I don't hate Queens because because I must say it. Because I said before the video you make they make moving feelings by this here in this room, like an other art, Queen art. But this is not me. That's why I make a hard video to must stop these guys to make this art here. I don't like this art. I'm a man, real man. I don't like drama queen art. I like from Hamburg. From Hamburg, I like Trickster Art or Joker Art. Not Joker, nicht Joker, ich hasse Joker. I like Trickster, Straßenspieler, Straßenmusiker. Straßenmusiker mag ich. Oder Balljonglierer, Straßenmusiker, Balljonglierer. Sonst ich mag nicht die Art haben von Drama Queen. Und das sind nicht meine Gefühle gerade. Also diese Bewegungen, das sind von denen, die beamen das nur auf meinen Körper. Das ist nicht von mir.